Hi darlings, in today's video we will be making tea, so I want you to join me as we talk about tea and fragrance. So this video is for the tea lovers, and as you can see here I have an amazing blend with black tea with rose. So this is going to be my tea for today. And darlings, what are you having? I wanted this video to be a cozy, relaxed video where we share tea together and talk about fragrances. That is my thing. So I have my tea leaves here. So my darlings, I have my tea ready and I have a beautiful blend here. So darlings, are you ready for me to talk about my favorite fragrance? Now, I wanted to do this unboxing with you. It's one of my favorite fragrances by Christian Dior, and it's actually Maison Christian Dior. So let's do the unboxing. There is something about the packaging of Christian Dior. I just love it. It's just simple but elegant. Now, I have my bag here, so I'm just going to rest my tea down. If I just leave it right here and then we can start this video. So look at this packaging. There is just something about Christian Dior, guys, that I just absolutely love, and there's something just so simple and elegant, so pretty with their designs, and I just love the white with the grey print. I just love it. I can already smell the fragrance from the bag. The whole gifting experience is just something else. Every single stage, every layer is special. The bag is scented. And now I'm going to reveal this beautiful, stunning, limited edition packaging by Christian Dior. Look how beautiful this is. This winter, Christian Dior revealed their new limited edition packaging for their fragrances, and this is in their famous print, TOILE De JOUY. Look at how stunning the print is on this box. It's just presented so well, and I have it in the sapphire blue, and it's just so elegant against the white print as well, with the animals and everything, the ribbon, everything about this packaging is just stunning. So I'm going to open this up and show you what I have inside. So I'm so excited to open this right now because there's just that feeling you get, you know, when you go through all the tissue paper and, you know, reveal your fragrance inside. So I'm so excited to get in there. So let's open this up, and here we are. Look at this. I just love Christian Dior, guys. So if you guys have been watching my videos, you know that Christian Dior was my first love in fragrances, and I have to celebrate Christian Dior with this perfume, which is Gris Dior. I adore this fragrance. This is just stunning. And guys, honestly, if you are a fan of Gris Dior, please let me know down below. Now, I just wanted to show you the packaging. Now, this is not the original packaging. This is a limited edition print that we have on the sides here. So this is a close-up of the print here of the TOILE De JOUY, and you can see the animal print on here. And I just find it really stunning and elegant. So let's have a look at the bottle now, because guys, you just know I'm so in love with this print. I mean, look at the detailing in this. It's just so beautiful. I just love the story. And with Christian Dior, they just have the best stories to go with every single fragrance, and I just love that. So let's get into the bottle. And another thing, before I talk about that, I normally store my fragrance within the box. So as you can see underneath, there's a pillow, and I normally lay my fragrances just on this pillow here, just to keep it nice and safe. So this is the moment I've been waiting for. This is the big reveal of my Gris Dior. This is a fragrance that I bought a few years ago. I think I fell in love with this fragrance about 2 years ago, and I had the small bottle, and I just couldn't wait to buy a larger bottle because this makes an amazing signature scent. There is something so fresh and clean, but it has this vintage note. Now I'm going to go through the notes with you. In the top note of this fragrance we have bergamot, and in the heart of Gris Dior we have rose, patchouli, and there's some jasmine in there as well. In the base we have mossy notes, we have sandalwood, and we have that true base of oak moss. And it's that oak moss blend with the patchouli and the rose that gives you this vintage feel. It has this classic vintage scent, and I don't want you guys to be put off by the word vintage. It does give you that vintage note, but it's very much modern. Modern, clean, very feminine, extremely elegant. This is a fragrance that I could wear to most occasions fairly easily. This is a perfume I could wear in the evenings. I can also wear it in the day. It's very much a universal scent. I find this so beautiful. It's one of my favorite fragrances by Christian Dior. And I think I can say this was my second love for the Maison Christian Dior fragrances. I have another fragrance that came first before this one, but Gris Dior is just so elegant. The longevity on this perfume is more than 8 hours on my skin, and it radiates so well. It receives so many compliments. It's one of my favorite fragrances. So if you guys have tried this fragrance, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know what you've been wearing by Maison Christian Dior. So darlings, thank you for tuning in today and watching my review of Gris Dior. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. I'm going now to enjoy the rest of my tea. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.